In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background color to a text block in Squarespace. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, plus a few tips to make sure your highlight color looks clean and consistent across your site. First, open your website so you're looking at the page you want to work on. Once you're there, click Edit to enter Squarespace's page editing mode. This switches the page into an editable view, so you can see the on-page toolbar and make style changes in context. With editing enabled, click on Highlight in the text toolbar. This is the feature that places a background color behind selected text. Don't worry if the default color isn't what you want. We're about to set the exact shade in your site's theme so it stays consistent everywhere. Now open your style controls and go to Themes. This is where Squarespace manages your global design tokens. Inside this panel, you'll see several sections marked with an AA icon. Click on AA, then click on AA again. Keep clicking through the AA sections as they appear. This takes you into the typography and color tokens, where text and highlight settings live. You'll do this several times, stepping through each AA group so you're drilling down to the specific control you need. If you see another AA, click it. And again, click AA. Continue clicking AA wherever it appears, so you're navigating deeper into the text style options. One more time, click AA. And once more, click AA if you see it in uppercase. It works the same way. This consistent AAA path ensures you're adjusting the global settings that your text blocks will use. When you reach the color tokens for text styling, click on Highlight. This is the background color applied behind highlighted text. Choose a color that complements your brand palette and provides good contrast with your body text. A softer tone often reads better than a fully saturated color, especially on longer paragraphs. If you're using a site-wide color palette, pick from those swatches to maintain consistency. Aim for at least a 3:1 contrast ratio with your text, so the highlight enhances